Hello student, now in this video I am going to explain you capitalization method. Dear student, under capitalization method we are having two methods. Means capitalization method is further divided into two methods, two parts. Number one, which is capitalization of average profit, and number two is capitalization of super profit. So under capitalization method there are two methods: capitalization of average profit method, capitalization of super profit method. Student, under capitalization of super profit you just determine simply super profit as you determined in super profit method. What I am saying, I am repeating my sentence, listen carefully. Under capitalization of super profit method, your first step is to determine super profit as we have done in super profit method. Just after determining super profit, you can apply formula to determine goodwill. What is the formula to determine goodwill of the firm according to super profit method? Formula is super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. So, what I told you, under capitalization method, under capitalization of super profit method, your first step to determine super profit. How to determine super profit? I have explained you under super profit method. After determining super profit, just apply the formula super profit into 100 upon normal rate of return. You will find goodwill of the firm. Now I am going to explain you valuation of goodwill according to capitalization of average profit. According to capitalization of average profit, we are having three steps. Step 1, determine capitalized value of average profit. Step 1 is capitalized value of average profit, and formula is average profit as you determine average profit in average profit method into 100 upon normal rate of return. By applying this formula, you can determine capitalized value of average profit. This is number one step. Step 2, in step 2 you determine capital employed on the date of valuation of goodwill. Students, how to determine capital employed? I have explained you in super profit method also. I have explained you that there are two approaches to determine capital employed. Number one is assets approach, number two is liabilities approach. Okay, so you can see my video for super profit method. There you can understand how to determine capital employed on the date of valuation of goodwill. But I am giving one formula. I am just showing you asset approach. Formula is total assets minus outside liabilities. This is the formula to determine capital employed by applying asset approach. One more formula is there according to liabilities approach, where the liabilities approach formula you can see in profit method. Okay, I have explained already. Now I am going to determine goodwill in step 3. Step 3 is our last step. In this step we can determine goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm formula is step 1 minus step 2. So by applying this formula means just deduct capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed on the date of valuation of goodwill. Difference between this step 1 and step 2 is your goodwill. So student, now you can see that how to determine goodwill by capitalization method. Again, option number 1, capitalization of super profit, capitalization of average profit. Now see the video, follow the instruction and solve the question and enjoy your studies. Okay.